In this video, I'll show you how to log into your Cloudflare account quickly and securely. Start by opening your browser and going to shieldn.com. Enter the email address linked to your account and make sure it's correct. Next, type in your password carefully. Accuracy is key, especially if you manage multiple Cloudflare accounts. Click Login to proceed. If you have two-factor authenticator 2FA enabled, open your authenticator app and enter the code displayed. These codes expire quickly, so enter it promptly. Once verified, you will land on your Cloudflare dashboard where you can manage your websites and tools. If you forget your password, use your browser's recovery option or a password manager. For persistent issues, Cloudflare support is available to help. And that's it. Secure and simple login to Cloudflare. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.